Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joyce McTeer and I am the owner and operator of LaJoyta Creation Designs. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. I'm coming to you all today to show you just a few things that I am going to be making some earrings out of, okay? You all know about this right here that I got from Walmart. These were, of course, they were on sale. And so I'm going to be making some earrings out of all of this right here, okay? Be on the lookout and watch those videos. If you like, please give it a thumbs up, share. And I just want to show you a couple of things that I'm going to be making earrings out of. So, of course, it's going to be this little bunch right here. I also have some wood buttons that I'm going to show y'all how to make some earrings out of. I have some acrylic buttons. These are like plastic buttons that I got from the Dollar Tree. You can go to the Dollar Tree, and every now and then at the Dollar Tree, you're going to find, okay, these. They have them every now and then. And then I have some more wood beads right here. Let me open it up so y'all can see. Okay, so I wanted to just come to you all really quick to be on the lookout for these DIYs. Now, these DIYs that I'm going to be working on can come any time of the day. They're going to be like pop-ups, and they can come any time of the day. And like I said, I'm going to be showing y'all a different design. Okay, I'm going to be working on wood buttons, acrylic plastic buttons, or whatever you want to call it. I got some wood beads right here, and I have some other wood beads right here. Okay, so if you would like to see how all of this stuff goes, please stay tuned. And I want to thank those of you who are new to my channel. Please subscribe, hit that bell that is on the side so that when I upload more videos, ladies and gentlemen, you will definitely be notified. I want to thank y'all for watching. Have a wonderful and awesome day. Until the next one, peace and blessings. See ya.